and welcome to Digit. In this video, we will be unboxing the Elista EW100SM wired headphones. On the front of the package, we can see an image of the product right here. The Elista branding is on the top right. Here we have a slogan that says, "Sounds like no other." And at the bottom, we have another slogan showing off its crystal clear sound. Here we have some Crown Multimedia branding as well. On the left-hand side of the package, we can see the Elista and Crown Multimedia branding once again. And at the bottom, we can see that it has an inline volume control unit. Right at the bottom, we can see that we have the 3.5mm jack version of this product. On the right-hand side of the package, we have some more Elista branding and we have a few of the key specifications. The features include an adjustable headband, soft Leatherette Earcups, and multi-platform use. There's nothing on the top, nor is there anything on the bottom. The back is where some of the technical specifications of the product are. So let's go through them one by one. In terms of the receiver, the technical specifications are a driver unit of 40 mm, an impedance of 32 ohms, a frequency response of 20 Hz to 20 kHz, a sensitivity of 96 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 4 decibels, a max input power of 100 MW, connector type 3.5mm stereo plug, and the cord length is 1.8 meters long. In terms of the microphone, the technical specifications are a driver unit which is unidirectional, a frequency response which is 20 Hz to 20 kHz, an impedance of 2.2 K, a sensitivity of minus 54 decibels with a variance of plus or minus 1 decibel, connector type 3.5mm stereo plug, cord length 1.8 meters, a weight of 180 grams, and the box dimensions, which is not important. Here we have some importing and manufacturing details, and right at the bottom we have the customer care information as well. Right at the bottom we have the declaration saying that the images may be different from the product itself. On the right we have some imagery that shows off the recycling and disposal information. And right at the bottom, we have the customer care number and the website and email address. That's about it on the outside of the package. So let's get into it now. We get only the headphones in the box, and we can see that it has a matte black finish all around. The earcups seem pretty soft. The headband is quite flexible and can take a bit of strain. It can also be adjusted to fit a plethora of head sizes. The headband itself has some cushioning on it, so it should be pretty comfortable to wear. Coming to the microphone, we can see that it has an adjustability of about 120 or 110 degrees. And it is also adjustable like this, so it can be adjusted in a way that is most optimum for communication. Right here, we can see some Elista branding as well. And it is on the other side too. The cable itself, as we know, is 1.8 meters long, and it has an inline remote which controls the volume of the headphones. The volume can be controlled using this wheel that turns. As we saw earlier, the cable splits the input and output, and this is perfectly compatible with PCs. As you can see, there is the microphone symbol on one of the jacks and the headphone symbol on the other. So this has been the unboxing of the Elista EW100SM wired headphones. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.